Hello everybody, today we're going to go ahead and demonstrate to you one of our brand new items. To my right, you're looking at one of our brand new salad sandwich prep tables. Okay, this is going to be a 27-inch mega prep table. Brand on this unit is going to be our own company brand, Cooler Depot. It is going to be an all stainless steel unit, very good quality. Now before we get started on more, I want to go ahead and give you the overall measurements for this unit, starting with the exterior measurements. I'll also measure the inside for you. Okay, starting with the length. Exactly, you're looking at 27.5 inches of the length, 27.5 from front to back. You're going to be looking at a total of 34 inches, front to back, 34 inches. Overall height for this prep table, you're looking at a total of 45.5 inches, 45.5. Now, as you can see, the unit does have casters included, already installed for this unit, so it makes it easier for use. I'm going to go ahead and measure those wheels, casters for you. You're looking at a total of 5 inches height for those casters. Also, you will have a cutting board here provided for this unit. I'm going to measure that cutting board for you. You're looking at a total of 8 inches for that cutting board. Now, I want to go ahead and open up this lid and show you the inside. On the inside, you can locate your pans. You have a total of 12 pans for this unit. You have 9 of the 1/6 pans, and you have 3 of the smaller 1/9 pans. Okay, so you will have these pans included for this prep table. Now, I want to go ahead and also show you the back of the unit so you can locate your plug. Okay, the plug is located on the back. It is a standard US plug. You can see plugs right here. Also on the back, we have a controller. This is where once the unit is on and running, you'll be able to see your temperature. Also, you can set your temperature on that same controller for the unit. Okay, now let's go back to the front and show you the inside for this prep table. Also, we have an automatic closing door for this prep table. Okay, on the inside, we have a shelf that will be provided for this unit. Also, you have a thermometer and specs on the unit. So all these specs regarding the prep table can be located on the inside, as well as certifications. Inside measurements. Front to back, 18 inches. Left to right, you have a total of 24 inches. And the overall height on the inside will be 24 inches as well. Okay, so those are your inside measurements for this 27-inch mega prep table. Okay, if you're interested in one of these units, go on our website, coolerdepot.usa.com. We'll update more information on the website, including the exact price for this unit. If you have any other questions, you can also give us a call and we'll help you out. Thank you for watching.